You will have an opportunity to see the pharmacist in your pre-operative assessment clinic appointment and discuss your medicines with them. We will inform you of any medicines you may need to stop taking prior to your surgery, such as blood thinners, hormone replacement therapy, or some blood pressure medications. Your procedure may be cancelled if you do not stop taking medicines as instructed. You will be given a brief explanation of any new medicines that you might be given during your admission and may need to continue on discharge. One of these medicines include blood thinning injections, which you will be shown how to administer before you go home. We will provide you with a green patient medicine bag at your pre-assessment appointment to bring your normal medication in. Please bring in 1 month's supply of any medicines you normally take in their original packaging. If you get your medicines packed in a weekly compliance aid, such as the Nomad or Docet box, please ask your community pharmacist to pack the medication in its original packaging for your hospital stay. We will use your own medicines on the ward, so it is important for you to bring your own medicines in. We will supply any newly started medications. However, we encourage you to have some paracetamol and ibuprofen at home should you need to use them after the operation.